This is amazing. Today on the 16th of November 2024. Here's Näsilinnankatu, 7 stay here in Tampere, Finland. Built by Valmet in 1983. It's in brace view 6516. With these work balance of 3 to 5 grams. Let's take the right here. There are 3 more in this building here.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Schindler.
And back to the ground floor.
Yeah.
I don't think it has water, but it's unnecessary.
Yeah. That's